Comparing Axie Infinity Ronin Bridge Tutorial versus Alternatives is a comprehensive guide that explains the process of transferring assets between the Ethereum and Ronin blockchains. The Ronin bridge is a critical component of the Axie Infinity ecosystem, allowing users to move their assets seamlessly between the two blockchains. To begin, it is essential to understand the key concepts involved in the process. The Ronin bridge is a cross-chain bridge that enables the transfer of assets between Ethereum and Ronin. The process involves locking the assets on the Ethereum blockchain and minting a corresponding amount of assets on the Ronin blockchain. The Ronin bridge tutorial provides step-by-step instructions on how to transfer assets between the two blockchains. The process involves connecting to the Ronin bridge, selecting the assets to be transferred, and confirming the transaction. The tutorial also provides guidance on how to troubleshoot common issues and optimize the transfer process. In comparison to alternatives, the Ronin bridge offers several advantages. For example, it provides a seamless and user-friendly experience with a straightforward and intuitive interface. The bridge also offers fast transaction processing times, with most transfers taking only a few minutes to complete. However, there are also some limitations to the Ronin bridge. For example, it only supports a limited number of assets, and the fees associated with the transfer process can be high. In contrast, alternative bridges such as the Binance bridge and the Polygon bridge offer support for a wider range of assets and lower fees. Best practices for using the Ronin bridge include ensuring that you have sufficient funds to cover the transfer fees, and verifying the transaction details carefully before confirming the transfer. It is also essential to keep your private keys and seed phrases secure to prevent unauthorized access to your assets. In conclusion, the Ronin bridge is a critical component of the Axie Infinity ecosystem, offering a seamless and user-friendly experience for transferring assets between the Ethereum and Ronin blockchains. While it has some limitations, the bridge provides fast transaction processing times and a straightforward interface. By following best practices and understanding the key concepts involved, users can optimize their experience and minimize the risks associated with using the Ronin bridge.